Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your iPhone as webcam in OBS Studio. Well, it's a very simple process. First, you have to open any of your favorite browser and then you need to come into the search option and then search for. After coming over into this website, if you scroll down a little bit, here you will find the option called Get the PC Client and click on this OBS plugin. If you click on that, then if you scroll down a little bit, you will find install the OBS plugin for Windows. If you click on it, then you will get the download option. So if you click on that, as you can see, your download has been started and it's downloaded. After click on this folder icon, we're going to install it and going to minimize all the background tab and going to click on I agree and going to select the destination folder. After click on install and then the installation is completed. And now if we click on finish, and then we're going to come over into our App Store and going to click on the search option and going to search for Droid Cam. If you search on it, then we're going to find this app over here, as you can see. So if you click on the get option, as you can see, the Droid Cam is rightly installed in your iPhone. Now we will going to click on open, and here as you can see, it's going to click on continue, click on OK, click on allow the microphone, and then here you can simply click on allow. And as you can see that we get Droid Cam Wi-Fi IP and the port. So now what we're going to do, so now we're going to click on this plus button and then going to select Droid Cam OBS, click on it, click OK. And now here if you come over into the device section, if you found your device, then it's okay, but if you didn't, then you just need to give the Wi-Fi IP. After giving it, you can simply click on activate right now, and here is your camera is turned on. So now if you just simply click OK, and boom, you can see your camera is rightly showing over here. You can simply set it like this. If you want to set it like this, you can simply do it and you can position it over here. And now here, if we just show you here into the home screen of my computer, you can see I rightly turn on the webcam in my computer by using my iPhone. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.